Wondering how you can save $10,000 in just 1 year? It might seem like a daunting task, but with the right strategies and a bit of determination, it's entirely possible. Imagine having a solid emergency fund, paying off that nagging debt, or even starting your journey towards financial independence. In this video, we'll share practical tips and tricks to help you reach this ambitious savings goal. From breaking down your target into manageable chunks to automating your savings and cutting unnecessary expenses, we've got you covered. Ready to transform your financial future? Now, let's explore these actionable steps to make saving $10,000 a reality. Break it down. Saving $10,000 in a year might seem overwhelming, but breaking it down into smaller, manageable chunks makes it much more achievable. Think of it this way. $10,000 in a year means setting aside about $833.33 each month. That's around $192.31 weekly, or just $27.40 daily. By focusing on these smaller amounts, the task feels less daunting and more within reach. You can set daily reminders or even use budgeting apps to keep track of your progress. Imagine, by simply cutting out one unnecessary expense each day, like that extra coffee or takeout meal, you could be well on your way to hitting your daily savings goal. Small, consistent actions add up quickly, making the larger goal seem more attainable. Keep these numbers in mind as you plan your budget and make daily financial decisions. This method not only simplifies your goal, but also keeps you motivated as you watch your savings grow steadily over time. Breaking it down like this turns a large, intimidating figure into something you can handle with ease, one step at a time. Know your why. Reflecting on why you want to save $10,000 is crucial for staying motivated throughout the year. Whether your goal is to build an emergency fund, pay off debt, or achieve financial independence, having a clear purpose gives your efforts meaning. Think about the peace of mind that comes with knowing you have a financial cushion for unexpected expenses, or the freedom you gain from paying off high-interest debts. Maybe you're dreaming of financial independence, where your money works for you, and you have more choices in life. Whatever your reason, keeping it front and center will help you stay focused and committed. Visualize your goal, perhaps a picture of your dream vacation, a debt-free statement, or a healthy savings account balance. This visualization can serve as a constant reminder of why you're making sacrifices and staying disciplined. Knowing your why transforms saving from a chore into a meaningful mission, making it easier to stay on track and achieve your $10,000 goal. Automate savings. Setting up automatic transfers from your checking account to a dedicated savings account is one of the most effective ways to save $10,000 in a year. By treating your savings like a bill, you ensure consistency and make saving a priority. This method eliminates the temptation to skip saving for a month or spend the money on non-essentials. Automating your savings means the money is transferred regularly without any effort. It's a set-it-and-forget-it approach that keeps you on track. Imagine the satisfaction of watching your savings grow each month, knowing that you're steadily working towards your goal. This approach also helps you develop a disciplined saving habit, making it easier to manage your finances. Whether you set up weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly transfers, the key is to be consistent. By making savings automatic, you remove the guesswork and ensure that your financial goals remain a priority. This small yet powerful step can make a significant difference in your ability to reach your $10,000 target, giving you peace of mind and financial security. Evaluate spending habits. Taking a close look at your spending habits is crucial for saving $10,000 in a year. Start by reviewing your monthly expenses to identify where you can cut back. Are there subscriptions you're not using? Cancel them. Dining out frequently? Try cooking more meals at home. Impulse purchases can add up quickly, so set a rule to wait 24 hours before buying non-essential items. Small changes like bringing your lunch to work or making coffee at home can make a big difference. Tracking your spending helps you see where your money is going and highlights areas where you can save. Apps and budgeting tools can make this process easier by categorizing expenses and showing trends. By consciously adjusting your spending habits, you'll find extra money to put toward your savings goal. It's all about making smarter choices daily and being mindful of your spending. This not only helps you save, but also builds better financial habits for the future. Consistently evaluating and adjusting your spending ensures you stay on track to reach your $10,000 savings goal, bringing you closer to financial stability and peace of mind. Windfalls and bonuses. Whenever you receive unexpected money, like tax refunds, work bonuses, or even gifts, resist the urge to spend it on something frivolous. Direct these windfalls straight into your savings. This approach can significantly boost your savings without affecting your regular budget. For example, if you receive a $1,000 tax refund and deposit it into your savings account, you're instantly closer to your $10,000 goal. This strategy takes advantage of unexpected funds that aren't already allocated to daily expenses, making it easier to save large amounts quickly. Instead of seeing a bonus as extra spending money, view it as an opportunity to accelerate your financial goals. Automating this process by setting up direct deposits for bonuses into your savings can make it even more seamless. By consistently saving these unexpected funds, you build a robust financial buffer more quickly. This habit also reinforces the mindset of prioritizing long-term financial health over short-term gratification. It's a powerful way to make substantial progress toward your $10,000 savings target, ensuring you're prepared for the future and can achieve your financial dreams. Track progress. Regularly monitoring your progress is essential for staying on track with your goal to save $10,000 in a year. Keep a close eye on your savings and celebrate milestones along the way to maintain motivation and commitment. Break your goal into smaller targets, like saving $2,500 every 3 months, and reward yourself with simple, non-financial treats when you hit these benchmarks. Use apps or spreadsheets to visualize your progress, making it easier to see how far you've come and how much closer you are to your goal. Regular check-ins not only keep you accountable, but also allow you to adjust your strategies if needed. If you notice you're falling behind, reassess your budget and find additional ways to cut expenses or increase your income. Celebrating your achievements, no matter how small, keeps the process enjoyable and reinforces positive saving habits. This approach ensures that saving becomes a continuous and rewarding part of your routine rather than a daunting task. By tracking your progress and celebrating milestones, you stay engaged and motivated, bringing you steadily closer to your $10,000 savings goal. By following these practical tips and tricks, you'll be well on your way to saving $10,000 in just 1 year. Remember, consistency and smart choices are key to reaching your financial goals. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with friends who might benefit, and subscribe to our channel for more financial advice and tips. Keep tracking your progress and celebrate each milestone. Thanks for watching and happy saving.